Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Litecoin from KuCoin to Gemini in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with all the updates in the crypto world. This step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both KuCoin and Gemini set up and verified. Start by logging into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. It's usually on the main dashboard. Find Litecoin in your list of holdings and click on it to access the withdrawal options. Next, you'll need the deposit address from Gemini. Open a new tab and log into your Gemini account. Go to the deposit section, select Litecoin, and generate or copy your unique deposit address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's for Litecoin and not another coin to avoid any mix-ups. Now, back on KuCoin, paste the Gemini address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send, but remember to leave room for network fees. In 2025, transaction fees might vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Review all the details carefully. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds. Hit the Withdraw button and confirm the transaction with any required 2FA or security measures. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so stay alert. The transfer time can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. Once it's done, hop back to Gemini and check your account to confirm the Litecoin has arrived. And that's it, you've successfully moved your crypto. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets for larger amounts. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.